big part and you're gonna put it up through the middle and you're gonna pull it through. Let it hang, keep that little part held. You're gonna take this, throw it over to your left and bring it underneath the tie, still holding that little part. You're gonna throw it back up and back down into the tie. Then you're gonna throw it across. And then it's gonna go back up into the middle of the tie. And now, you're gonna take the big part and tuck it into the outermost layer of your tie knot that you made. And then you just pull, adjust, little tugs, and you have a tie.
All right, the last one was a half Windsor. Let's do a full Windsor. It's the exact same knot, just one extra little step. Cross the long end over the short end, pull it around the back, and loop it over your knot. Just like that. Now pull that to the opposite side. Take it over the loop again. Over the knot, sorry. Now you've got your little heart shape, see there? Bring that over the front, which is going to create the hole that you're going to stick the fat end down. The fat end is also called the blade. Take the blade, stick it right through there. I love this because it's nice and symmetric. It's thicker than the half Windsor. Yeah, I don't like buttoning my top button either. But this looks good with it just like that. People wear it that way nowadays. So there you go. Follow the Naughty Boy for more.